Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a light bulb in this Frigidaire Range Vent Hood, be sure to turn off the power supply to the hood. Pull the right side lever down to release the grease filter. Rotate the bulb you're replacing counterclockwise to release it from the socket. To install the new light bulb, insert the terminals into the socket and rotate clockwise to secure. Reinstall the grease filter by aligning the left side tabs with the slots in the hood. Then pull the lever to align the right side. Turn the power supply back on, and the range vent hood should be ready for use.